Caine from the amazing Digital Circus. Really cool, independent animation. Highly recommend it. It's on YouTube only, I think. I don't think episode 2's out yet. Episode 1 was interesting. I have no idea what's going on in it. It's pretty crazy, but it's good. And this character looks insane. Let's draw him. Landscape page, use pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start with his eyes. So he's got like these 2 floating balls, right? If you have like a compass or something around, like a cup or something to draw around to get the right size, feel free to use that. If not, you can try and freehand it. So we'll mark out this circle here first, right? So it's kind of starting here. The other side, over there. So we'll just go like, circles are always tricky. Try your best. Compasses are always handy in situations like this. But basically, that's one eyeball, and then the other one, bigger, right? So we'll go a bit higher up. So a bigger circle. Go around here. Right, so 2 circular lines. And so one big, one small, and then iris and pupil in there. So circles inside circles. So we'll go iris. This is green eye, I think. There, and then a black pupil. In there. So then blue circle on this side. Boom. And then the black inside there. And you just color that in. Okay, so kind of crazy eyes. Try and smooth up some of these lines a bit. A lot of people ask what pen I use. It's just a permanent marker. You could use Sharpie, or this is like an Amazon brand one. And they do lay down all the ink. That's why I do it on a big page. Gives a thick line. You could use any fine liner though. Okay, so then teeth. So there's a row of teeth like that goes across here. It's kind of bumpy. So where would it begin? Say like, okay, so back of the teeth sort of go, this is like the back of those, they're like dentures, right? So it's like a curved line here underneath this eye. And then there's loads of teeth. So let's just go for this. We'll go this way, right? So we start to add these teeth. This is like the side of it, right? This is like one of the molars. And then it'll start to bump, right? Basically like teeth bumps along here. And like the bottoms of those teeth will follow that trajectory up this way, right? And it'll curve all the way around to the, like touch the other eye even. So we just gotta like bump them around. And they're quite big. Okay, so like the bottoms of them then, you know, will be like, here's So like your molars will have these, you know, little sort of lines inside there like that. And then the flat teeth obviously don't. They just sort of go around like so. And we keep bumping around the head. They're kind of all flat here at the front. Right, and then they start to get sort of chunkier here. Bigger kind of molar teeth. Goes in behind the eye, that one. And then back all the way into the back of his mouth. Back up here, right, and these kind of bump. Right, and then the molars sort of have lines on the inside of them, like that. And then so he has like red gum line on the top here, just comes up and down. It's kind of a bumpy line, so you don't have to be too careful. And then his top hat, so it's like a circus ringmaster sort of hat. So it starts like back here and then goes around there. And you can't really see the inside of it, but if I brighten up the image, no you can't. So just like sitting on his head there. And then it'll curve out both sides. And then it'll go back around. Boom. Like so. And that's just black. And then we have the bottom teeth sort of floating down here. Okay. So say like the side of it sort of goes down here. It's like his chin or his jaw. But it's just those dentures kind of floating in the air. And there's all rows of teeth along here. So we'll just do the gum line. So these bumping, curving lines basically. Like so. And each of those will be a tooth. So, you know, you go along each one. Just add a little line here. And then bring it across. And you just do that the whole way. So I'll just do the lines first. Just sketch them up there lightly. And then bump my teeth across the top of that. And we got some molars that come along the back here. So again, it's just like a randomly bumpy line. You don't have to be too careful. And then back that way. These have some lines that go down here. Like so. So his body then, so his arm, his elbow will go out from the teeth, right? So he's holding this cane out here. And it's kind of, he's a real cartoony figure, so, you know, the arms are pretty standard, sort of spaghetti-like. And then he's got a white glove there. And his hand holding the cane, so he got like 3 fingers, I think, and a thumb. So the thumbs, is that his thumb? I think his thumb comes across here. It's hard to see though. Like that kind of. And then that cane comes across his body here, right? So it's just like a stick. You could use a ruler if you wanted, or you could like freehand it. Like now in the back of it will go. The back there, and then there's this golden sort of ball, but it's got like a curved line on the base, and then it has the circle on top, like so. So then the side of his body just comes down from his arm, sort of this way, He's got like a circus ringmaster look. And then amazing digital circus. His body sort of on this side. Well, it's like his lapel of his jacket goes down there. And then the middle of his tux comes back up this way. And the lapel of the jacket goes there. And we got like a bow tie just underneath his chin. And then the line for the shirt section here. And you got 2 buttons. Okay, so his other shoulder and hand. So coming down here. And then the elbow changes direction that way. And then his glove again, Mickey Mouse style, Disney-ish sort of glove. I think he's giving a thumbs up. No, he's pointing. So we go cartoony like thumb. And then long line for his finger. And just 2 more fingers sort of curving over themselves. Very simple. To there. And then like his pants, I think, just goes like down that way. There's some folds or something here. And his legs all are down there, but I can't fit them in, obviously. That's it. Caine. Amazing digital circus. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.